model of matter. Everything around you is made of matter. Matter is made up of extremely tiny particles. The particle model of matter is a model developed by scientists to explain that all matter is made up of particles and to explain the properties and behavior of matter. For example, copper wire is made up of copper atoms and water is made up of water molecules. To keep things simple, we refer to atoms and molecules as particles in the particle model of matter. The main ideas of the particle model of matter are: the particles are too small to see even under the most powerful microscope. The particles that make up matter are always moving. Matter exists in 3 different states, namely solid, liquid, and gas. Observe here that the particles in the solid are also moving. There are empty spaces between the particles. For example, in air, the particles of different gases mixed together are moving fast. There are empty spaces between the particles. There is absolutely nothing in the spaces. The particles attract each other. In some substances, the forces of attraction are strong and the particles are close together. In other substances, these forces are weak and the particles are further apart. The particle model is a scientific theory, but scientists have collected evidence that proves that the model is correct. Let's summarize what we have learnt.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you. Anytime, anywhere.